Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around, allowing you to see this F-150 up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This is the 2018. Stock number is 6974. Take notice of the exterior condition of this Ford. Absolutely in impeccable condition. Has only 19,000 miles. This comes equipped with the four-wheel disc brakes, ABS brakes, air conditioning, fully loaded. The FX4 package, of course. It's got the tonneau covering, as you can see, tow package. Qualifies for warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. Who couldn't use those? Reminds me, I need to get my oil changed in my car soon. No virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you directly in the driver's seat and giving you a nice shot of the interior, rear, ample legroom for friends, family, company. Lots of visibility and lots of sunshine. With the moonroof, power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, automatic transmission, this truck is fully loaded. And you know what? She won't last long. In fact, I might go take her for a drive myself. For more information on this truck or any other trucks we have in our inventory, can't stop looking at her. Call us, email us, text us. We look forward to answering any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. And also, better yet, we look forward to shaking your hand and meeting you someday. So do me a favor. We look forward to seeing you. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.